Hello everyone, my name is Moji. You're watching a Bitcoin bubble news channel. Doesn't mean the test of a money. It's possible that it won't be around in 10 or 20 years. Why doesn't it mean the meaning of a money? Why do people say I can sell you goods in Bitcoins, but the prices of those things change all the time? They base their prices on the dollar every time the value of the dollar changes against Bitcoins. They might say, well, I'll sell it to you in oil barrels, but the number of barrels you need changes every time the price of oil does. It's not your oil. This is Lark Davis reporting on Clip 1 to share it with you. Warren Buffett sacked. Bitcoin 10 years ago, it cost $600. Bitcoins have gone up over 10,000% since then, giving investors a 60% return on their money every year. Watch out who you listen to. Now, what's going on with Crypto Crew? Sean is firing back at you. Another video about cryptocurrency. We have a video with a lot going on. We're going to get right to it. Check out the Bitcoin price chart. $62,000 is what we need. Bitcoin has been going up again and has been right above that old barrier. We are just setting up. This still looks like a strong sign. Also, check out this great RSI. We haven't shown you this yet. Look at these support levels and then this support level. Are you seeing another support level form right now? The highs and lows of C have been higher, but look what happened when the support levels were met. Takeoff, made round, takeoff, getting cooler. Will that take off and reach 100,000 or more? Tech experts are weighing in. He is looking at the CMF calling blow-offs and the RSI calling tops. He has both of these signs which are mentioned below. See this chart? The RSI peaks happen when it hits this upper range, which are the red dots. We're not quite there yet. But if you look at the CMF, you can see what happens every time it turns green after that blast off. Every single time. Green, take off, then red. Here it is. Take off. Red and blue. Then right here. Take off. Blue. It looks like red is going to win. It looks like it might happen in 2025, but the peak will kill people. Another new thing from the tech team for altcoins. For altcoins, the time for accumulation is over and the time for growth has begun. But take a look at how long these times of growth last. From 2015 to 2018, we had a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. The 5 was the highest. And right now that leg in the middle. And right now this one too, that expansion leg on the return 2 right here was the expansion leg going up. That third, fourth, or fifth number could then come true to see a huge, huge $1 trillion. This is the rest minus the top 10. In the months to come, there will be a huge play. But look, when we bought them out with 2, the price went up to 3. See how high 3 went? A huge run-up. Could this happen in the next few weeks or months? Gaussian channels are also turning green. Every time we see this flip on the 2-week, it goes through this upward spiral channel. There is a Bitcoin worth several $100,000 just around the corner. Go ahead and check us out at Bitcoin Guys 101 before we go on. We made these 2 ebooks just for you. This is the complete guide for people who are new to technical analysis in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. This is also on Amazon. We have Amazon lists just for you. Primes are out there. One more update. Bitcoin ETFs in the US have seen net inflows of $130 million, the most in 3 weeks. Could this be the thing that sets Bitcoin on its next leg up and takes it well over the $73,000 mark? Bitcoin is worth about $62,000, as you can see. We still have a ways to go before we get that high. Next, Bitcoin is expected to reach a new all-time high this year based on past events. Bitcoin is still going up, and it's possible that it will hit a new all-time high this year. This is what the CC figures from Tuesday said. The research company looks at past patterns such as how long Bitcoin goes up in value after being cut in half. These people say that this isn't over yet. What numbers should we pay attention to when we look at the DXY? We can see that we had this huge red candle. Let's take this down. Let's get rid of this extra part. Don't go to the right and left. You need to see this red drawback as a single red light. And right now you've lit about half of that light again, like once or twice, and you might start to feel tired. It's possible that this is some kind of flag design coming together right now. If this goes through, it could bring us down to this level of support, which would be good for the altcoins again. Also, as you can see, the RSI may be getting tired as well. All of this is on a monthly scale, and the blue line is going below the orange line. Take a look at what happened the last time this happened. We have seen that down crease for several months. So are we going to see this problem with the RSI and the DXY? That means altcoins should go up. Tom Lee talks about what he thinks will happen with Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies by the end of the year. That's right. Bitcoin is probably having a hard time since MT. Gox began giving out Bitcoin in July. If I said $150,000 in Bitcoin, could this really happen? Let's take a look at this price chart. Let's get a better look at the price movements. We've already shown you this. We got a big round bottom and broke through the barrier that was there before. Now we are back trying not only the bull market support band but also the resistance that has been built up over a number of years. Where does the technical goal lead us if this goes through? Let's move this number from the bottom to this point where it breaks out. This will take us over Tom Lee's $150,000 mark, but Bitcoin will only go up to $240,000. Is this what's going to happen in a year? Do not forget that he said Bitcoin gains most of their value in 10 days. Don't give up on this. You don't want to feel like, oh no, I missed the boat, we hit a new all-time high at the bull runs over. No, that's not good. Things are just beginning. That's all from me, Sean, one of the Bitcoin bros. If you like what you're reading, click the like button. Check out the station and show us some love if you haven't already. We really value all of your help. That's all I have to say about it. Goodbye.